YouTube. It is Thursday. As you saw, we got patio and everything poured yesterday, the top part of it. I wanted to give you guys a little update on the truck toolbox situation with Knapheide. So on Tuesday, Knapheide sent a couple of guys here to pick up the truck, drive it back to their location in Flint. Told me, then the guy from Knapheide called me and said, hey, we are going to take care of everything. Going to get the toolbox fixed, get the passenger side toolbox fixed, get your fuel line fixed that was damaged, get Line-X sprayed on the back of the box like you had it. You are not going to be responsible for anything. We're going to make this right. I'm like, okay, great. I'm impressed. Yesterday afternoon, which would have been Wednesday, the day after that phone call, I get a call from the same guy at Knapheide. And he tells me, well, the dealership you bought the truck at, apparently there was a different brand of service body on that truck. I bought the truck brand new from a dealership with the Knapheide body on it. I had no idea there was ever another service body or brand on that truck. I was never told that. By the dealership, by Knapheide, who's done warranty work on this thing in the past, by anybody. So he says, well, love to help you out. I've talked to everybody here, but because this dealership had a brand new Knapheide body installed by someone who was not a certified Knapheide installer, that voids all of your warranty, and unfortunately we can't cover anything. However, if you're willing to pay for everything, we can do it at cost. And I'm like, you've already worked on the truck under warranty on at least 2 occasions. You've never addressed this. You've had the truck, you've had the VIN number, you've had the body identification number, you've had everything. Now all of a sudden, you don't want to warranty anything on a truck with 17,000 miles on it. So his advice to me was, well, I think you should go back after the dealership who had this installed by a non-certified installer. So as of right now, I am waiting for Knapheide to get back with me on an estimate of what all this is going to cost me to get repaired at cost. Once I have that, I am going to reach out to the dealership in California and let them know, hey, this is the cost we're looking at. Do you want to make this right or don't you? Then I'm going to reach out to the regional Knapheide guy who I had to call to get this all started. And I'm hoping we can resolve this by people standing behind their product and doing the right thing. But so far, pretty much I've been told it would all be covered. Now I'm being told we're not going to do anything for you other than maybe give you a discount at cost. So if it's not made right, unfortunately, we're probably going to be reaching out to the attorney. Just want to give you guys an update on where we're at. It's been a couple days on that, but if you are looking at buying a new truck from a dealership that has an aftermarket service body, I would make sure you have all the details on it. You should ask if there's ever been another body on there. I don't know how you would even think to know that because you're buying a brand new truck from a dealership. I mean, how do you know what happens to it before you buy it? You assume you're buying a brand new truck from a brand new dealership. I would also find out a lot about their warranty details, and I would really look at the manufacturer you go with. I will keep you guys posted. We're going to get to work. The guys will be here anytime, so let's get after it. Thursday, 9 o'clock in the morning. We got this upper patio stripped. Went through and scraped some joints. Got the wiring down here. Dowels in the step, rods for the step. Started to strip on this one. We're gonna saw cut this once we get poured here. Couple kickers on. Al's out putting the color in the truck right now. So we'll get this one poured, and then we'll cut the top up here, and we'll wash everything together tomorrow. It's easier to blend together.
No, left in my car, left my water.
That's a good idea. Yeah,
New haircut.
you should. Yeah. What do you think of the haircut? I think she really screwed it up.
Yeah, you look kind of fucking stupid.
Yeah.
You got a little unicorn thing
I
going
knew
on.
she told me I had like a, it started with an L, like not lupus, but something else.
The haircut lady?
Leukomas, and because it was sticking up, she had it so short, or not short enough, and I said, you better cut a little bit more, and then it just started spiking up all over, and I said, wow, what's going on here? I don't know, it looks like you got some, is it,
Lupus?
no, it was,
Leukemia?
no, that's what I thought she said.
back at it, gents. And maybe 1 or 2 ladies, I guess. Who knows? It's 2024, could be. Boss man's taking off right now. Got a big load of concrete in there. Here at the stamped patio driveway job. Went off for a second. Got it blown off. Did the top. What day was that? Was that Wednesday? Did the bottom yesterday. Papa Jesse getting some lines marked out. Kirk doing all the work as usual. Timmy really not doing much, but he does have new pants. And he brought donuts and coffee in today, so that's pretty big. It's actually massive. Huge. Huge. Absolutely huge. Got a little bit of this torn out last night after we poured the bottom. Try and get the rest out today. Got a lot of bushes and whatnot to get out. We're gonna get after. We gotta wash this thing down after we cut it. Scrape all the joints out. And I just don't know how many times I can keep saying this over and over again.
We do excellent work.
But you're literally already watching. You're watching our channel. Just subscribe. That's all we need. We just need you to subscribe. See, the guys are excited. They want you to subscribe. You're right here. You don't even have to leave the video. Subscribe. Like. Tell your friends. Jesus Christ. These guys are not in show business. I'm trying to do something and they're talking over me.
I'm not. I'm working.
Subscribe, like, tell your friends. Trying to make $1 million here. Help us out.